Hi everyone, and here you see I'm in Julian2's den. Julian2's den, and everyone speaks German here. This little flag. You are playing in a different language. You want to return to your language. If you click yes, you get sent out. Look, everyone speaks Germany. It's hilarious. Prep cool toast? What? That's funny. I think this is the idea that Julian2 wanted to put Pikachu is marshmallow dude. I don't get it. I think this is the idea of Julian2's party. If you watch his videos, you would know what I mean. He doesn't really like the idea of the party thing, because I don't know. I don't want to talk too much about that, but this is weird. Did he put this up here? I gotta check on his videos or something, because if he did not put this up here, then that's a little freaky. Album star. Okay then. You can be an album star. Yeah. This is Germany here. Hi, Animal Jim. Oh, okay, see. Okay, those are English words, not Germany words. I don't get how this came to be. Even their names are different. This is weird. But I don't know what happened. Everyone's outside. I think I'm gonna go inside. Oh, no. Everyone's not outside. Well, like, if you do this and do okay, you'll get sent out of his den, which is crazy. Hang on, let me tell people about this. Go to Julian2's den. You'll talk Germany. No joke. Wonder how many people are gonna be at his den now. Is that first try? Oh my gosh, first try! Wow, that's awesome. I just got first try a little bit ago, I think. Did I move this? Can't get it. Wait. Sorry. Oh, great. There. Well, that's weird, having this little Germany thing going on here. No, 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 no. I don't like Germany. No, I don't like Germany. Nine. You can't say IKR! Darn it. Stupid Germany, I'm leaving. I don't want to be here anymore. A prom? I'm going here. That wraps it up for this video, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.